welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and this is RoseJayCreates, and I just wanted to say thank you again for all the support that you've shown me. I am about to post a new video, so I look forward to you guys watching it, leaving comments, leaving a thumbs up, and hopefully if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure you're hitting that notification bell. That way whenever I post videos, you'll get notified and you'll be able to continue to support me and watch all my future videos. And I'm also on Etsy. I have a channel on Etsy, and that is RoseJayCreates as well. And I also have a channel on Instagram, RoseJayCreates as well. And so I look forward to seeing you guys on there and supporting me. And again, guys, thank you for all the support you've shown me, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you the silicone molds that I am going to be using to create my ink pens, my resin ink pens. And then these are the ink pen refills that will be inserted inside of this. And all I am going to do is just attach it. And then there is a plastic silicone cap on the tip of the ink pen, so that way I am able to use it and pull it out, and the ink won't be covered in resin. So right now all I am doing is just making sure it's sitting in here securely, and making sure that it doesn't come out when I pour the resin inside of it. And this is what it looks like, guys. Okay guys, it has been 24 hours since I've let this set, and so now I am unmolding this. And this one is my pink one. Oh, I like how this looks. I see that some of the resin didn't quite go all the way to the tip of this one. But it looks pretty good. What do you guys think so far? I like this. And then now this one is my green one. This is my favorite one. I love the way this turned out. And I love the colors. They're deep green color, the pop of green. Looks like hunter green, and the leaves stand out perfectly. You can see all the details of the leaves. And then with the gold leaf paper in there, what do you guys think so far? Please thumbs up this video if you guys are liking what you see so far, but I really like this one. This one is one of my favorites. And then this one is my purple one. I'm going to have to, I see some of the resin sort of kind of left a little mess on the end of this one. So I'm going to have to fix this one. Okay guys, I am getting out my craft drill, and all I'm going to do is just sort of chisel off some of the resin that kind of clogged up. And I'm going to try to smooth this out a little bit, and then I'm going to add some more resin to it. So right now all I am doing is just chipping off some of the resin that didn't quite set right in the mold. And that way when I re-pour, it'll be a smoother finish. So all I'm going to do is just continue to file this away. And again guys, if you haven't thumbs up the video, please thumbs up the video, and I would love to have you as a family member. So I am offering memberships to my channel, and would love to have you come and see all the other things that I do. And so all I've done is just kind of sanded this down. It's looking good. It's looking a lot better. And then I'm going to go back and attach some more resin to it to cover up the sand marks on it. Are you on that, Chase? Huh? Okay guys, I've already sanded down my ink pens and kind of got the clumps of resin off. And so all I am going to do is just apply a fresh top coat of resin just to cover up any sanding scratches that I may have produced. And then this also give it an additional shine on the top, and it'll give it a more finished, polished look. So all I am doing is just attaching a little bit more resin to the sanded areas, and then some areas where resin didn't fill in on the little tips of it. So I'm just attaching a small amount, and I'm using the ink pen mold to prop it up, because some of the molds are sort of a canoe shaped and some of them are round. So it just helps to kind of keep it stabilized. So all I'm doing is just attaching the resin, and I will show you the finished product in a second. But thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and this is what it looks like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you my latest project that I just finished up. And these are my ink pens. These are resin ink pens that I made. And I put some flowers in it. These are some little purple flowers that I put in, and I added gold leaf paper to it. This one is my brown one. Sort of looks like a root beer float, and some of the gold leaf paper kind of fell to the bottom of the mold when it was laying like this. But it's very beautiful. And this one I use alcohol ink. I didn't use any flowers with this one. Here's the pink one, and I used pink pansy flowers, and I also added gold leaf paper to this. This one is my absolute favorite. This one is my green one, and I didn't add flowers to this one. I just added leaves, and look at that pop of green. Isn't it gorgeous? And I added gold leaf flakes to those as well. And then here's a blue one. This one is made with alcohol ink, and I added gold leaf paper to this as well. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you for always supporting me and tuning into my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification button, so when I am posting videos, you'll be notified, and then you'll be able to tune in and watch and see my DIYs and my tutorials on how I work with my resin. So again, guys, I hope you enjoy this video.